What if the giant drawings in the Peruvian desert were not made for the gods, but for visitors descending from the stars? In the dry plains of southern Peru, hundreds of enormous designs are etched into the desert floor. There are animals, plants, straight lines, and geometric shapes. Some stretch for hundreds of meters. They were created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE, yet their true purpose remains one of archaeology's greatest mysteries. The Nazca Lines were largely unknown to the outside world until commercial flights began crossing Peru in the 1920s and 1930s. From the ground, they are almost invisible. From the air, they form a vast gallery that can only be fully appreciated from high above. This led many to ask who the ancient artists expected to be watching. In the 1960s, ancient astronaut theorists proposed a radical idea. The long, straight Nazca Lines were not paths or ceremonial routes. They were runways. Flat, stable, and aimed at the sky, they could have served as landing strips for extraterrestrial spacecraft visiting Earth thousands of years ago. Creating the Nazca Lines required removing the dark surface stones to reveal the lighter soil beneath. The lines have survived for centuries because the region is one of the driest places on Earth. But the precision and scale are remarkable. Some believe such careful planning points to instructions from an advanced intelligence rather than simple manual labor. Many researchers argue the lines align with stars, solstices, and constellations. The Nazca people may have used them as a giant astronomical calendar to track seasons and plan agriculture. In this alternate history, those alignments were not just for farming. They were navigation aids, helping alien craft locate the landing zone. The Nazca were skilled farmers, weavers, and potters. They built underground aquifers to survive in a desert that receives almost no rain. Mainstream archaeology says the lines were part of their religious rituals, perhaps walked during ceremonies to honor water and fertility gods. If aliens did land here, what did they want? Some theories suggest they came to mine resources, especially minerals and water. Others believe they were explorers or scientists studying early human civilizations. A few propose the Nazca people saw them as gods, recording the visitors in their art and rituals. The Nazca Lines are not the only giant images visible from above. Similar geoglyphs exist in other parts of the world. From England's Uffington White Horse to ancient mound builders in North America, humans have long created art meant to be seen by the sky. But Nazca's scale and isolation make it the most mysterious example. If the Nazca Lines were truly alien landing strips, human history would be rewritten. Ancient civilizations would not have developed alone. Religion, technology, and astronomy might all carry echoes of extraterrestrial contact. The desert would become not just a sacred site, but a point of first contact between Earth and another world. Archaeologists continue to uncover evidence that the Nazca Lines had cultural and ceremonial meaning for the people who made them. Yet the question remains, why create images so large they can only be seen from the sky? Whether they were messages to the gods, astronomical tools, or runways for ancient visitors, the Nazca Lines continue to challenge everything we think we know about our past.